You can master the basics of data science in a matter of weeks if you follow these 5 hacks. Hack number 1. Don't jump directly into data science. Learn Excel, SQL and statistics first. You'll realize why we say so when we get to the next hack. Hack number 2. Learn at least one data visualization tool. Tableau or Power BI. A common mistake learners make is trying to learn such new tools without learning statistics, which leads to wasted hours and reduced focus. Hack number 3. Start getting hands-on experience. The only way to know whether a ship will sink or it will sail is to put it in the water. Similarly, the only way to know whether you are ready is to extract insights from datasets available on GitHub, Kaggle, data.gov and get hands-on experience. Hack 4. Build a portfolio. This is the extra mile you must go as it will put you in a different league. Instead of stopping when you get hands-on experience, create a detailed portfolio in which you explain your process. This will help you land your first job as the interviewer will know how you approach problems. Hack number 5. Practice, practice and practice. Every true data scientist knows that the field is evolving and the only way to stay in the game is to keep competing in hackathons. So when you enter the industry, maintain the same curiosity you had when you were trying to enter it and you will be unstoppable. Save this reel and come back to it whenever you need it.